Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you 3 amazing video effects you need to try. This video is sponsored by Epidemic Sound. I've been using Epidemic Sound as my go-to source for my music for years. It's great for online video creators to soundtrack their videos without getting copyright strikes or takedowns. Epidemic owns 100% of all of their music, so there is never a chance your videos will receive a claim or takedown in the future. Epidemic Sound's library has over 35,000 tracks and 90,000 sound effects, with new tracks added every week. Their music is also professionally produced and it's all original music. The personal plan is perfect if you are creating content or podcasts for your own use on your personal channels. Covered for most platforms, including YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitch, and podcasts. Subscribers are allowed to add one channel per platform. With Epidemic Sound, you're still allowed to monetize your videos and won't have to worry about videos being demonetized, receiving strikes, or flagged for unlicensed usage. The commercial plan gives freelancers, agencies, and brands professional composed music to use in their own and clients' content without ever getting copyright strikes. With a commercial plan, you can clear productions in which you would use the Epidemic Sound music for your clients, so they don't get copyright claims for not having a license. Sign up for the personal plan or commercial plan using the link in the description box to receive a free 1-month trial. Any videos you use during your trial will remain safe and protected, even if you cancel your subscription after your trial month is over. In this tutorial I will show you how to create a smooth zoom transition. First, you need to download a sound effect from Epidemic Sound called Vision Transition. The great thing is that Epidemic Sound has an option to find more similar sound effects and music. Now open CapCut and select 2 videos. You need to shoot 2 scenes, one where you are in the distance and one where you are close to the camera. This is what my videos look like before editing. Tap on the transition button between videos and select Mix Transition. Now you need to add the sound effect you downloaded. Tap on the first video and then add a keyframe where the sound effect starts. After that, zoom in at the end of the video and align the first and second video as I did. Tap on Graphs and select Easy in 1. Export the video and then tap on the new project and select that video. Split the video at the point where the transition is and then select the motion blur feature. Adjust the motion blur settings as you like. Now you can export the video. This transition is very useful if you want to create a unique intro for your videos. Tap the video, tap copy and then tap overlay. Align the overlay video with the main video Then tap the cutout and remove the background. Now reduce the duration of the main video. Tap the plus button on the right side of the screen and then select a photo of the sky. I downloaded it from Unsplash. Match it with the overlay video and then enlarge it to fit the background. Tap the transition button between videos and then find the ink transition. Adjust it as you like. Tap on the overlay video and then remove the part of the video until the beginning of the transition. Now set the adjust aside it. At the beginning of the video, add a keyframe and reduce the opacity and then increase it in the part before the transition. Export the video. In this tutorial I will show you how to create text reflection effect. First, tap the plus button and then select a black background. Increase the duration of the video. Now select the text option and add your text. Choose the font and color and then choose typewriter animation. Enlarge the text to fit the background. Export the video and then tap on the back button. Tap on the overlay and select the video you exported. Align it with the main video. Tap the edit option and then rotate the video aside it. Now select the mirror option. Select the split mask and then tap invert. To get a fade effect, drag the arrow up. Now you can add the typing sound effect. You can find it on Epidemic Sound. Place the effect at the beginning and end of your video to match the animations. Your video should look like this.